For each graphing window you think does not show the behavior of the function well, describe how you would change it. Okay, let's start with graph A. So graph A's problem was that the window is too small horizontally and vertically. So let's go over here to the settings, and let's increase the X and Y axis. We don't really need to scoot that far to the left, but really let's give some more X values. So I think maybe going out to 10 on the X, and then going out to the Y values. If I looked at graph B, I see I've got some Y values out to like, what is that, 600,000. So let's try going up to about 700,000 and see how that goes. And I'll probably want to go by 100,000s and see if that does. Okay, let's take a look at that and see if that's a little bit better. Okay, that's a little bit better, but I still see a lot of, let me see if I got all my points here. No, I don't want that. Let's scoot this out a little bit. No, I want this. Oh, I need to add some more rows to my table, don't I? Okay, so let's go here, and let's go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's go out to 10 and see what we get there. All right, so now let's check those settings because I think some stuff moved around. Okay, so our y-axis, let's keep that at 0. And our here, we said we wanted to go up to like what, 600,000? And then steps, we're going by 100,000s, and then make sure that's locked. And we wanted this to go out to, what did we say, 10? We wanted this -2 was good. All right, let's check those settings and see what we got now. Okay, so now we're getting a little bit better picture of this. And maybe down here at the bottom, it's kind of a little hard to see. So maybe on the Y, maybe we go a little bit down below so we can get that clear. There we go. Okay, now we're getting a much better picture. And that's pretty close to what we had in graph C. And you know what? Graph C, we said we were going to add some minor grid lines. So let's go ahead and add those minor grid lines. Oh, now we can do a much better estimation of this. And you know what? Maybe even here on the vertical axis, see how it's going by 100,000s? Maybe we could even go by, instead of 100,000s, maybe we go by 50,000s. See, now we get even better here. And see, now we can do a pretty good job of estimating now about these y values. Much better. So we've kind of done all three of the graphs. We changed the vertical, we changed the horizontal, we changed the, we added a little bit below so we could get this a little bit above the bottom of the screen. And then we also added those minor grid lines, and we sketched it all here in Desmo. So we've kind of done questions 2 and 3 together, and we kind of just put a note here about changing the horizontal, vertical windows, adding the minor, and this is all based on the Desmo settings menu. So we can just put here, we changed the horizontal, we changed this from -2 to 10, changed the vertical, and we went from -100,000 to 600,000. We also changed the steps by 50,000. And we added minor grid lines. Now we've got a much better picture. And we can put down here, see Desmos.